Okay, I'm gonna turn the key on first and then go to Imo. That's a nice belt, beautiful. So I'm gonna accept it. Let me start running the car. Just at least put the window up for the noise. And from here, I'll go to VIN, auto detect. Kia Asia, Hyundai Asia. This is Kia. That's the car. I will say okay. Car is running. I'm gonna put the AC on. Okay, US or Europe, US. This is the car 2017. Smart key. Imo scan. Leave the car on to make it faster. There is only one key already there. Everything look okay now. Okay, what do you need now? I want to read the PIN code first. Be sure you have internet. 42 smart card, read pin 40 smart card, read pin 48 smart card. I'm not sure which one is. Let me go with the first one. By OBD2. Let me see if I can get it. I have to turn the Bluetooth off and put a cable from here to here. So stay with us. Okay, I'm gonna click. I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth, but if you turn off the Bluetooth, hold on. Stop it. Okay, let me see if I can turn it off. Ampere. Go back now. Imo. Say okay now. Hazard light on. Close driver door. Well, you can leave the ignition on. Open, close the driver door. Hazard light on. Say okay. Communicating. It's not supported here. Okay. Okay, what happened? Let me go back. 47 card. Reading passwords. This take a long time. Please wait. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it. I don't know how long it take, but if you see here 1350, we're gonna wait to see how long it take and we'll come up. Please be patient. After a little while, we are able to get the pin code. 6 pins. So I'm gonna try to take a picture and keep it in case. I say okay. Now I'm gonna go back, add a key. This function support add key and all key lost. Perform this will erase all existing key. All the old key static key must be rewritten again to be able to work normally. Press the start button. Okay. This function support add key and all key lost. Perform this function will erase all keys. The old key must be rewritten again. Say yes. Hello. There. Stay next to me in case I have to put the key or to take the key out, okay? Stay next to me in case you're gonna move one key away. Turn the ignition off. Okay. Open the code. Open, close driver door. Say okay. Success. Okay. This is the key. Yes, correct. Success. Note, click OK to complete the following step. Within 5 seconds after it's pressed, use the back of the top smart key to hold down the start button for 5 seconds until the anti-theft lamp flash. If the operation failed with the promote, please remove the key case. Okay. Take this one away. When I tell you, bring it to me. Okay. Within 5 seconds, okay? Key hold down the start button for 5 seconds, okay? Within 5 seconds. So you're gonna press OK and then push this one with it. Smart down the start button until the safe lamp flash. Okay. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I see it's flash and it's gone. What do you say? Key is success. Do you want to program another one? Hold this. Hold this away. Give me the other one. Oh, take it out. Thank you. I say yes. Same thing. Click OK. And then look, push here. That don't flash. That's it. And what it say here? Programming succeed. Number of the current key are 2. Please exit the system to the vehicle select menu. So it only maybe take, please exit the system to the vehicle menu. Okay, okay. 2 keys successfully programmed. Now escape. Beautiful. Now turn the key on. Ignition come on. Car start with this one. Beautiful. Take it off. So take this one. Give me the other one. Give me the other one. Okay. Lock. This is a new one. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock. See the mirror move too. Unlock and the horn. Okay, I'm gonna start it. Push the brake. Beautiful. It worked fine. So we know from here that you must have internet. 1. Also, when you try to do 2017 Kia, you have to choose read pin code with this one here, 47 smart chip. Okay, be sure you have internet. Ignition must be off when you do the walk. And IMO information is here. This is proximity 46. And minimum 2 keys only. That's why, you know, as soon as you program the next key, he said, please get to go back. And here is the signals 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, those are the key. And now we have one thing left. We can take the key and program it. If you have the same key, whether for Kia Sorento, sometimes you can see the same key with a different SKU, but it can do the same work. So just feel free to do it the same way. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and like. And if you have any question, also feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. And please watch my videos for other work, computer programming, consulting, tech support, reflash, and all this stuff. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. And up to that time, I will say thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.